water into the Lake District, now back down to 250 feet. Hard left turn, the lead 6 o'clock is clear, the weather looks good ahead, lining up the valley. And speed's now coming up, 480 knots. Positioning for the overbank. Waiting for the lead. There goes the lead, and overbanking, 5G over the top. Throttles back as we descend back into low level. Low height warner, reset, and throttles idle. Height 500 feet descending. 400, 350 checks, 300, level 250 feet. Lead 6 o'clock is clear. Quick fuel check, feels good for choker 1. Okay, crossing right to left on the lead. Approaching the north of the Lake District this time. Hard right turn now, through the valley, 3G. Speed stable at 420. Height 250 feet through the M6 pass, slight overbank, throttles back, allow the nose to come down, maintaining 250 feet. Quick check to the left is clear.